Right guys, so here it is. The wine fund pot. Really fun project. I did go back over it and I added another line, and I just cleaned up sort of this side and that side. It had a tiny little bit of silver sitting on it, which I really didn't like, so I've just gone back over it. I've added another burn line in. If I was to do it again, I would probably like to get some stickers, some letters to stick around, and then spray it up and then peel them off, so it sort of had some writing in there, give it some more. I was thinking about putting a little wax seal stamp on the top here, but yeah, I think that'll do for this one. First bottle, and I thought, well, I don't just want to do a bottle, I may as well make it a pot as well. So yeah, there it is guys. A fun one to do. Also sanded it back again. I didn't like the friction polish finish on it, so I ended up finishing it with wood wax 22. And all I'd done on the stain on the top was I used some Alumilite red dye, and I've left it sort of quite I don't know, I wanted the bottle, I didn't want the bottle to look sort of brand new, sort of a used or an old bottle lid. Probably looks more like a whiskey lid, to be honest with you, than a wine lid, but or a wine thing. I was thinking about putting a wax seal on here, but for this one I think that'll do. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And to all the subscribers that have come over to my channel and all the subscribers that have been with me from the start, thank you very much guys, really does mean a lot. Next week's project will be a resin project. Might have some wood involved as well, I'm not too sure yet. I have something in mind and I'm sort of debating on which way to go with it. Stay tuned guys, and I'll be back next Friday. Cheers guys.